6 PCs Gel Polish. We put together the top 6 trendiest New Year colors for the year of 2022-2023. We studied the upcoming color trends closely so you could display a colorful, stylish, modern manicure every time for Happy New Year holidays. It comes with a white elegant red black brown nude gel nail polish to DIY at home for a New Year holidays gel polish kit. Environmental healthy. The 6 PCs red black white nude brown gel polish colors are made from 9 toxin free ingredient, which makes it safe and has low odor. No harsh ingredients or adhesives that lead to damaged nails. Easy application and good tenacity. The series of pink nude neutral gel nail polish set is long-lasting for 21+ days with perfect shine under proper application, with base gel top coat under the full application process. Soak Off LED UV Gel Nail Polish. The colors of Pink Neutral Shades Kit, All Seasons Gel Nail Polish Set need to be cured under LED nail dryer. Base and top coat required. Average for LED nail lamp 60 to 120 secs. What you get. Color number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Warning. May cause an allergic reaction by skin contact. Read directions for use carefully. Professionally formulated and only used for nails. Avoid contact with eyes, mouth, and skin. In case of contact with them, rinse immediately with water. If there is any incident, contact the doctor immediately. Stop using the product if redness and itching develop. Keep out of the reach of children. Top reviews from the United States. Amazing price, better than Sally's. I bought some gel polish, base, and top coat from my local beauty supply store, and I am returning those items. This was infinitely easier to use and cured much faster, 60 to 90 seconds, than the ultra-expensive, high-quality polish.